احنا اليوم رايحين رحلة على المانجروف.
We've seen them. Will be like a night market here. All people screaming. Is this mango? Mango.
Mango tree. Where is the mango?
This is the mango. Will be a quick break here, so 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, come back to the boat, and then we go to Crocodile Cave, okay? But I need to be clear first, no real crocodiles over there. But why they call it crocodiles, we will share with you after this, okay? So finish Crocodile Cave, we go to the monkey place or monkey area. We will see more monkeys over there. So finish monkey, eagle watching, I mean kites and eagle watching. So finish eagle watching, we will going out to open sea and we will stop at the beach, okay? Alright, so about open sea and beach after this, everybody need to be clear this one, yeah? Will be depend on sea condition first, okay? Good, we going out. Not good, rough wave for example, weather change for example, this means we have to skip the beach and the open sea, okay? So good or not, captain will check first and they will inform to us, okay? To finish at the beach, we go to the icon, Kilim Geoforest Park to take a picture of that, about 5 minutes, and then we're back to the same fish farm to have our lunch, yeah? And about your lunch, what you will get for your lunch later, simple meal or simple lunch only, fried rice with the chicken, plain soup and orange cordial for the drinks, okay? So it's included in your package. That means no need to pay anything for that. But if any one of you guys wanna have any extra order, I mean you want to add on something else in the menu later, for example, fresh live seafood, omelette, vegetable, you need to make the pre-order. I mean you need to make it the order now, okay? Because if you make it later, when you guys coming back for lunch, it will be no more time, okay? And when finish lunch, we will straight back to the JT, alright? Everybody clear?
Yeah.
Okay, because later, when finish the show, the staff here want to check about your lunch one more time. So it's either vegan, non-vegan, they will check it later, okay? So any more questions about the fish, you guys can straight ask our brother here. So our brother name today, can call him? Arif, okay? Enjoy your time.
So, hello guys, how are we today? So here we got stingray, we got 3 stingray inside. We give the name Ali, Ahmad and Fatima. So, yeah, so this kind we call mangrove stingray because this kind they come from river. So if you want to compare male and female, you can see for the tail, you see, white color. If you see one spine and two spine, sea bass. Yeah, sometimes people call it barramundi or barramundi. So they have 3 colors, sea bass. Black color like this, silver color and red color. If you go to restaurant in my country, they want to do something very slow because the body too big. That's why they want to can lunch the right, they take for a long time. And one more thing, they have for ice, it's very bland. That's why they see small fish, they want to get very slow.
Tasty.
So guys, this way for last one right here. So like I show you over there just for food only. This one for lunch. So from here we got lobster, crab, and then we got mantis shrimp and grouper. So if people they want to eat, we catch from here. So now I show you finish from here. So my friend again, see over you.
We want something.
Alright, okay guys, everybody in our. So like I shared just now, lunch is here, but not now. So last more. 2 o'clock later, okay? Right, and your lunch will be fried rice with a chicken, plain soup, and orange cordial. So if you guys want to add on something else like a lobster, fish, crabs, omelette, vegetable, make it the pre-order. I mean, make it the order now, okay? Before you go. Alright, so about that, you guys can try check it on the blue table. We have a menu and someone as you see over there. And when you guys finish here, take your time to the toilet. And when time's up, we will call you back to the boat, okay? And before you go, any one of you guys vegan or vegetarian? Hands up, just want to check. 1, 2, 3.
5 here, 5
5 of you guys, yeah? Alright, just want to check that. Thank you so much. And try to check the menu over there. Thank you. See now here about the monkeys here, right? So actually at this area we have 2 different monkeys. So first one is macaque. Like you can see now here is a long tail macaque monkeys, okay? Second monkey is dusky lip monkey. So for the dusky lip monkey will be black colors and they will have like a white spot on their eyes and their hair, okay? But to see them only here, a bit difficult, not often. They're coming out like the macaque monkeys here, okay? And like you can see, macaque is a brown colors, but the baby will not brown. And baby macaque monkeys will be black colors. Dusky lip monkey black, but the baby will be yellow, orange, or golden colors. Okay. And if you ask me, they can swim or not here? Yes, they are good swimmer for macaque monkeys here. Okay. About their food, if no people, no boat coming here, they can have mango fruit, and when the water is fully low tide, they also can have small crabs or feed the crabs that we have here. Okay. So that is the food for macaque monkeys here. Alright, so that is about the monkeys, and after this also, we will straight heading to the eagle place. We have kites and eagle watching, so will be the same. Our captain will be speeding back, so enjoy your ride. Thank you. Bewok.
Sir,
Huh?
concerning the I know, they keep moving.
And they look cool.
Now in Europe, your model, we are in Poland, Portugal, Estonia, Ireland, and Spain.
Wow. What do you do for them?
The Europe